This lovely unit is from Nicey Wig. It is a 13x6 HD transparent lace frontal wig. If you're interested to see how I installed it, keep watching. First, I'm going in with my lace tint powder I got off of Amazon. I'm only applying it to the front part of the lace because that's the part I want to give my skin tone. The rest of the lace, you usually use concealer to make it give scalp. Now I'm parting and measuring so I can cut out the ear tabs so the lace can lay flat and comfortable around my ears. Applying the glue in sections makes the process so much easier. Always make sure your skin is clean before applying your glue. I am using the Lace Bond Extreme Hold glue. I applied 3 layers of glue. I waited for the glue to dry clear before adding each layer. After applying each section, make sure you use your comb to press that lace into that glue. When pulling the sides of the lace, you want to pull from the cap itself and not the lace so you don't rip it. Let that lace melt with that band for about an hour. Do your hair in the meantime. Do something. Just wait. The hair on this wig is nice and thick. You get a lot of hair to work with and I love it.
Yo, you sweet like Fanta, Fanta. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me yanga, oh yanga. Not tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. You gon' give me a lo, 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 oh. Tell me like oh, 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 oh. Shawty gon' give me a lo, 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 lo.
That moment you take off that band, oh my. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and stay tuned.